Hello students, a very good morning to all. This is your political science teacher, this Sweet Kaur ma'am. Once again here welcomes you all in my political science class from SKM Public School. Till now we have studied chapter number 1, 3rd, 4th and 5th. 6th I have started, only 2 videos I have uploaded. But now I thought that we should do this chapter number 2nd also. Chapter number 2nd also, because according to new guidelines there is 50% something syllabus, first term, second term and end term bifurcation is given there. Accordingly we have to act. So that's why I have started this chapter number 2nd, that is party system. If you have new books, that is another thing. If you have old books, that is another thing. Right, in there it is party system. Number of the chapter is 2nd and name is party system. A very small chapter and very basic introductory. Party system further divided into one party system, 3 categories. One party system, 2 party system and multi-party system. So everywhere worldwide democracy is based upon political parties. Political parties have very outstanding role to form a democratic government, because in democratic government competition is must. There must be comparison of the things. I would like to give you one example. Even we have to purchase one shoe, pair of shoe, one t-shirt or any jeans. Then also we go to different shops, compare different things, then we purchase one. And that time also we are so, we can say, decision makers. We take our decisions so intelligently. Right? I have to wear for this function, this color, this design, neck design, length, height, breadth. Everything we go through very clearly, very fairly and very interestingly. If we are doing only for a t-shirt, that once or twice we have to wear, then we can. अगर नहीं भी फिट है तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, घर में पहन लेंगे, शाम को पहन लेंगे. बिल्कुल फिट नहीं आया तो चलो कोई बात नहीं, छोटे भाई बहन को दे देंगे. फिर भी नहीं फिट आया तो चलो कोई बात नहीं, अपनी आया को दे देंगे, काम वाले भाई को दे देंगे. दैट इज द थिंग ओवर देयर. बट इफ व्हेन वी आर चूजिंग आवर लीडर्स, चूजिंग आवर पॉलिटिकल representatives, at that time we must be same type of we can say we have to use that much intelligence, that much comparison between and among the leaders who have to run the government, under whom we have to they have to rule upon us for the coming 5 years. Why there is any type of compromise when we are not compromising on the purchasing of a single t-shirt? Why do we make compromise with our political representatives who will rule us, who will make policies, who will form a different type of laws for us? Can we make any type of adjustment over there? No, never, or should not be done. So that is a very much political, very much democratically idea. So for your knowledge, I can tell you, India is coming in the category of multi-party system. As it is clear from the name, one-party system, two-party system and multi-party system. More than 2 political parties are contesting elections, functioning politically. That system is multi-party system. And for your knowledge, more than 750 political parties are working in India. 750 political parties, and see their representatives. When we talk about wide democracy of India, we can compare India's only elected representatives with the total population of one country of the world. As the small state of Haryana's population, that much are our total elected representatives from top to bottom. To say, from local government, ward member, panch, sarpanch, MLAs, then MPs till president. This much number is there of our elected representatives. You see, you know that how important these representatives in a country like India having diversity. Like you have read in your previous classes, the reserved constituencies. Constituencies are reserved based upon caste, OBCs, SCs, STCs. Then women constituencies. Some constituencies are reserved for women, where only women can contest the election. Like that, so on, so forth. Yes, students, hopefully you are understanding what I am going to tell you. से जितने भी ज़्यादा हमारे पास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होंगे, मोर ओवर वो तो आउटकम है कि ठीक है हमें पूरे इंडिया में 1 लाख रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सपोज वी हैव टू डू, बट देयर शुड बी 7 लाख कंटेस्टेंटर्स, इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करने के कॉम्पिटिटर्स जो हैं, दे शुड बी 7, एंड आउट ऑफ दिस better 7 we have to choose one that is the best. Only then we can create accurate, appropriate and comprehensive democracy within the country. It is completely in the hands of the citizen of that particular country. How you elect your rules and what type of rulers you are sending in as your representatives in the government to rule upon you for the next coming 5 years. Dear children, this is not only next 5 years. If citizens want, willing, that whatsoever representatives are elected in mid-time period, okay, 5-year tenure होता है हमारा, they can dissolve them also with the impeachment motion, with non-confidence motion in the parliament. कितना easy लग रहा है ये सब कुछ देखने में ना, but it is not so easy. It's not so easy, especially country like India. I'm sorry to say that from top to bottom something is going on wrong here, right? Like जो representatives हमने elect किए हैं, क्या elect करने की हमें पूरी freedom है? Free and fair elections हो रहे हैं? पता नहीं. क्या जो representatives वहाँ जाके work कर रहे हैं, are they free and fair and justiciable? पता नहीं. We are saying that such and such prime minister, such and such chief minister, such and such president is not working properly. लोग बाद में गालियाँ भी निकालते हैं, बुरा भला भी कहते हैं. Very general question, who have elected them here? अक्सर वोट तो हम लोगों ने दिया. कोई भी ऐसे मैं तो जाके नहीं कह सकती कि आई एम योर MLA, आई एम योर CM, आई एम योर PM. कोई नहीं कह सकता. कितना भी चौधरी बंदा हो, कितना भी कौन सा हुआ सरदार है, कुछ भी है, हम ऐसे तो जाके वहाँ नहीं कह सकते कि आई एम योर PM. PM is elected by us only. Even with multi-party system, like I told you, more than 750 political parties are working in India, and 7 parties are there at national level parties, right? Like state level party and national level party. That is also categorization over there. Got it? This is the theme behind multi-party system. लोगों के पास ऑप्शन होना चाहिए, साथ में से किसी एक अच्छे को वोट देना, लेकिन कैसे देंगे? That much depend upon the aware citizen. Citizen know that whom we have to cast vote, एंड दे आर फ्री टू कास्ट. 50% टाइम में ये होता है कि वी आर इनडिसिसिव कि विच कैंडिडेट इज द बेस्ट, who would be best for our next ruler, who can make best policies for us, who can make good laws for the country, and who is keeping in mind the welfare of the citizens and development of the country. All these things are to be taken care while electing our representatives, and when we are taking all these decisions simultaneously, we have choice. Multi-party system is there, then we are choosing them, right? हम साथ में से बेस्ट, बेटर में से बेस्ट ही चूज करेंगे. तो दैट इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम ओनली. दैट इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंटली, वेरी प्रैक्टिकली coming in India, going on in India. That is very practical. That is going on in India. That is multi-party system where elections are contest between more than 2 political parties, and those candidates contest election. When they contest election, they have to give one election manifesto also. In that manifesto, those candidates give their aims and objectives after winning the election they are about to do, right? Sometimes they spread their knowledge, shape political opinion, give political knowledge to the citizens also. In this way, this is the multi-party system. Party system, how many political parties are contesting elections in a particular country? One party system, two party system, and multi-party system. Multi-party system has been adopted in India, right? And it is going on well very now also. Okay, bye student. Next we'll discuss in our next video. Take care, stay home, stay safe. See you soon.